Hello, good afternoon. Myself Hardik Soneria, and dear student, today we see the HTML page how to create in Composer tools. So here we are using the Composer tools because it is useful in your syllabus also. So today we just see how to create the registration form in Composer. So here we start the Composer. Okay, so today you just see the left corner, it is untitled because we cannot save the project uh, our page. So now how to create the registration form, first we see. So here we type the registration form. Okay, now you just see it will be, first we increase their size with the help of these tools. Okay, we give the bold font and justify. Okay, now we can give also a fill color. Okay, so the text will be in yellow color. Now we give the background color with the help of red. Okay, so you just see the updation, the registration form. Now we fill some registration field. So first go to the table and select one row and two column. Okay, so you just see the one row and two column are created here. It will be modified like this, so their size is decreased with the help of this layout. Okay, now first we enter our field name. It is the username. Okay, now we create a text. So we go to the form. Okay, form field, then select the text because we are using here text, and give the field name. It is the username, and their size are defined here, and it will be 30. Okay, so you just see the field name is given username and text size is come to the 30. Okay, after you give the tab and you just give the field password field. Okay, so same process, go to the form field, then here you just select the password because you give the password field. So the file name is what, field name is what, pwd means password. The file field size is equal to 30 also given here. Okay, okay, now we add the another field name, for example first name. Okay, so first name is given here, field name is first name. Now we give the form field. Okay, then text is created here. We give the field name is fn. Okay, their size is given here, it is 40. So 40 character you just include in first name. After the next field is what, last name. Okay, so last name is given here. Now come to the form field, then text here last name, so LM, and size is given here 40. Okay, so here the field is come. Now we see some another field, so gender. Okay, so here the gender we are selected. Okay, so here we are using the checkbox. So in this type we go to the file field, then go to the radio button. So here we using a radio button because the gender are using for one option only. So the group name is what, gender defined. Okay, then value here we are using the male. Okay, if you point out the initially selected, so you just check out it, and so you just see the radio button, create a male. Okay, now you are create another radio button, so go to the file, select the radio button, and group name is gender, then field name is what, female. Okay, then take OK. So you just see female. So two radio button we are given here. Okay, now we select the hobby. Okay, so at that time we are using a different types of checkbox. Okay, because multiple choice we are selected in the hobby. So come to the form. Okay, going the form field, select the checkbox. Okay, then here chk is the field name. Okay, the value is what, suppose cricket. Okay, so cricket value are included, and first you initial check, so you just see the checkbox is come. Now cricket is the choice, you select the another choice, so go to the checkbox, field name is what, chk, then give the another example, that is computer. Okay, send. Okay, so the computer you just included computer. Okay, you add another checkbox, so come sorry, checkbox, give the field name chk, value is what here, suppose reading. Okay, so reading, then okay, so reading form is reading tag is also included. Now we come to the address. Okay, so here you just see the address field, so you come to the form and tax area. Okay, at that time the file name is what, address, you denoted this address, and the row you just define how many row and how many columns you are created. So here you just give the 5 row and 10 columns, and more property also you just see it is okay. So you just see OK button, so you create a address, here you just give the value 60. Okay, so your column is larger. Okay, so the large character you just included in the text format. Now create another value. For example, you want to create some button like submit button or reset button, so you easily calculate here. Okay, so you just see how to create. Okay, one more are also created here. Okay, so you just see the submit button. Okay, field name is submit. Okay, submit button, then which value you are display on the button, so you just type it on and click. Okay, so you just see the submit button. Okay, after that you see the button like reset button. So you just select and go to the reset button, and here the button name is field name is reset, and you just give the field value, it is a reset button. So you just see how to create a registration form in your HTML with the help of Composer. So in this form, these view are shown in the normal form. You just click on the HTML tag, so you just see how to create a particular tag in your HTML. So HTML tag are defined with the help of this. Okay, then this is the source code. Okay, so automatically you just drag and drop the field, so the in the source form they are automatically give the different value, like you just see the HTML tag, head tag, body tag, and the table which will be created, these will be shown in this source form. Okay, and this is the preview how it will be shown. So this is the simple form how it will be created in Composer. Okay, now we want to save the file. Go to the file. Okay, then save. Okay, so you just here give the current pages. So you just write down the first HTML, sorry, registration form. Okay, so registration, okay. Okay, now it will be created. You just see how. So go to the desktop. Okay, then you just see registration dot html. Okay, so save it. So your form, HTML form will be saved here. Okay, you just see here it will be clicked, so the form will be show like this. Okay, so this is the registration form. Okay, now how we include the file field in this form, it will be shown in the next lecture. Okay, see you tomorrow. Have a good day.